Expose for the highlights. This is a kind of a common photography term that gets tossed around quite a lot. But what does it mean? What does it mean to expose for the highlights? This is when you take a very specific, precise reading, usually with your spot meter, from the brightest part of an image. It's more applicable in hard light, where your brightest and your darkest areas of your photo are a lot different. And it's where you put your spot meter on the brightest part of the photo, and this is how you set your exposure for that area. What's going to happen, it means that your dark areas and the shadows of your photo are going to go really dark. So you're going to get some very high contrasty, very moody photographs. I always do this with manual exposure controls. That's what I'm used to doing. You can do it with auto exposure. It's a little more complicated because you want to be really precise and you want to be in control of the exposure. You don't want to give this control to your camera. So when you're taking photos later today, think about the lighting, look at the bright areas, think about how the shadows are going to look, and create some high contrast photos where you expose for the highlight.